Hello traders, in this video we're talking about confirmation bias in forex trading. I will explain what confirmation bias is, how it shows up in your analysis and trade decisions without you knowing, and practical ways you can reduce its impact on your trading. What is confirmation bias? This is the tendency to search for, interpret, and remember information in a way that supports what you already believe, while downplaying or ignoring anything that disagrees with you. In trading, that means once you decide Euro USD will go up, you naturally focus on bullish news, bullish charts, and bullish opinions and filter or rationalize any bearish evidence. It can appear as selective research, only reading analysis that agrees with your bias and skipping or dismissing opposite views. It can also show up as ignoring stop loss and red flags, holding losers because you keep finding reasons you are still right, overweighting past winning trades that fits your bias while forgetting the losers. Confirmation bias can even distort backtesting, where traders focus on profitable periods and explain away losing streaks instead of accepting that the strategy might be flawed or overfit. Why is confirmation bias dangerous to a trader? By filtering reality to match your opinion, you end up trading the market you want to see, not the one that's actually there. This leads to late exits on losing trades, missed opportunities in directions you didn't want to consider, and overconfidence in ideas that don't truly match the data. Now I've gone through confirmation bias. How do you get rid of it or how do you reduce it in trading? You can reduce confirmation bias by deliberately seeking disconfirming evidence, asking what would prove me wrong before you enter and writing that into your plan. Using structured checklists, predefined entry and exit rules, and reviewing trades objectively, wins and loss both, also helps you lean on data and process instead of feelings, which can be dangerous to a trader. You can read more about confirmation bias and other trading biases using the article link in the description below. Being aware of this one meta trap alone can significantly improve how you analyze markets, test strategies, and make decisions in live forex trading. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel.